Good afternoon, good evening. We'll do third grade builder number 70. We'll start with addition. In the ones place, 6 plus 6 is 12. Put a 2. Carry the 1 to the tens place. So 1 plus 9 is 10. Put a 0 in the tens place. Carry 1 to the hundreds. 1 plus 4 is 5. So your total is 502. Subtraction. 0 minus 5, there's more on the floor, so we have to go next door. So we're going to get 10 more, so we're going to get 10, so that leaves us with 0 in the tens place. So we're going to get 10 ones, so that becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So in our tens place, 0 minus 4, there's more on the floor, so we need to go next door. Now we need to get 10 tens, so that becomes 10 tens there, and now we have 7 hundreds. So 10 tens minus 4 tens is 6 tens. 7 hundreds minus 0 hundreds is 7. So 765. Multiplication. Start in our ones place. 9 times 2 is 18. With the 1 and 8 in the ones place. 1 in the tens place. Then we're going to multiply the tens place. 9 times 7 is 63. Plus 1 is 64. So we have 64 tens and 8 ones, which is 648. Multiplication, 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is, that's 45. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 7 is 63. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 10 times 9 is 90. Geometric figures. We're going to name the figure. First, we're going to see if it's 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional. It is 3-dimensional because it has a length, a width, and a height. How many faces? It has 1 face on top, 1 face on bottom. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether that's 6. Edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this figure is a rectangular prism. Has a rectangular base, and it is a prism. Measurement. We're going to use the ruler to measure to the nearest ½ inch. So I'm going to start with the top, and that is 1 inch. Then I'm going to go to the side. That is about 1½ inch, 1 1/2 inch. Go around to the other side. Should be about the same. About 1 1/2 inch there. Turn it around. It should be the same as the top, but we'll go ahead and measure. It is 1 inch at the bottom. We'll keep going around. We're just going to double check. They should be equivalent or equal to. Yes, it's 1 1/2 inch. And the next one should be about 1 1/2 inch as well. So now it asks us at the bottom to find the perimeter. We know that perimeter means add all sides. So we're going to add the halves first. So here's 1/2 plus 1/2. That's 1 whole. So 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1 whole. Then we have a half here and a half here. So together they make 1 whole. So now we can add our wholes together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our perimeter is 8 inches because we measured it to the nearest ½ inch. So 8 inches. Capacity and weight. Liquid volume of a kitchen sink, 20 milliliters or 20 liters. we're going to say 20 liters. It wouldn't be 20 milliliters. That would be very small. Liquid volume of a water glass, 300 milliliters or 300 liters. So it would be 300 milliliters because 300 liters would be very, very big. Time. Let's see what time is shown. This is 3 o'clock. The hour hand is the shorthand. The longhand is the minute hand. So the hour is 3. The minute is 5:05. So 3:05. The next one, the hour is still 3. It is not quite to the 4. So if you kind of drew a line, it would be almost to the 4, but it's not on the 4. And we know that as we move around the clock, the hour hand inches very slowly. And as it's almost turning to the next hour, it's going to be really close. So our time is still 3 o'clock, but the minute is o'clock. Goes to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So 3:55. And then you need to know the difference between the two clocks, 55 and 50. You can start at 05. We started at 05 and we went to 55. See how long that is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 minutes. Okay, since you're in the same hour, you can also subtract the minutes only because you're in the same hour. So 55 minus 5 minutes would give you 50 minutes. Number line. We're going to fill in the number line. We have 92. We're going to count by 8s. So this next one would be 93. So we're going to fill in the middle. Here's 92 and a half, or 92 and 4/8. We can also say that. Looks like this next one is 92 and 5/8. That's our missing one there. So if we keep going, we know that this is 94. So we're going to fill in the middle section. This is 93 and 1/2, or 4/8. We know this is 93 and 5/8, because that's the next one. We're going to count by 8s. And then our next blank, here's our half mark. This is 4/8, or 1/2. So we know that one less than that would be 3/8. So 94 and 3/8. So we have 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. So 94 and 3/8. Okay, so from this point, from 92 to 93, that's one whole, but we're counting by 8s. There's 1/8 here, 2/8 here, 3/8 here, 4/8 there, or 1/2, 5/8 here, 6/8, 7/8, and then one whole would be 8/8. Okay. All right, so we need to know how far is from 93 and 1/2, which is right here, 93 and a half, to 93 and 5/8, which is right here. So from this point to this point is 1/8. Because each one of these marks is 1/8. So from 93 and a half, or 93 and 4/8, to 93 and 5/8 is only 1/8. Okay, vocabulary. Blank are characteristics that describe a geometric figure. Attributes. Blank is a flat surface of a three-dimensional figure. It's a face. Blank is where the sides of two faces meet. That is an edge. Blank has measurements of length, width, and height. That is a 3D figure. Blank has two measurements, usually length and width. That is a 2D figure. Hope you guys have a great evening. See you tomorrow.